Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Yes. So what we have here today is in my previous videos, I've talked about the stock market crash, uh, what happened with the banks last week. I talked about in this recession 5 different type of stocks that I'm never going to sell, regardless of how bad the stock market is doing. But what we're going to talk about today is how much money I've made with dividend investing over the past 4 years, and just what my plans and what I plan on doing for 2023 and going forward, and hopefully you guys use this as a motivational tip to either begin to start your investing journey to if you already have started your investing journey to stay consistent with your investing journey, and most importantly for you guys just be motivated to stay the course, because I know that in times like this when the market is down, 2022 we experienced a bear market. We've been in a bull market for like 7+ years. So last year was a bear market. The market is down now. The market has been down uh, pretty much virtually all last week and several months, right? So I know for this year alone, we've only had maybe only a couple positive months, but it seems like, what do you do? Like, are you going to lose your money? I know you're probably uncertain, and I'm here to help you out, to let you know, to inspire you to stay the course. So we about to get into the video. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel, share my content, and uh, join. And so as you see, me investing $650, $250, $300 per paycheck, be buying stocks, and me staying consistent. Hopefully, it rolls off on you to show you that it's what's possible, and that you can also stay the course as well and grow a six-figure portfolio where eventually one day you can live off of, retire early, or when you are 55, 60, and you're ready to retire, that you have something outside of your company's 401k plan, or if Social Security is around, have something to fall back on, right? So here is my dividend portfolio. Before we talk about that, here's my actual dividend portfolio. That was just uh, a dividend tracking spreadsheet. So here is my dividend portfolio. Uh, so I've been investing for 5 years, but the reason why I said 4 years is because uh, the first year. So hopefully you guys look at my video and learn, so that you guys don't make the mistakes that I made as a beginning investor. And so um, I've been investing for 5 6 years, but I only count 4 years because the first 2 years I was really trying to figure out uh, just my investing style, how to make money, because I wasn't really making money. So it was really uh, like total, like one year I only made like $10 for the whole year, uh, because I was just buying stocks. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know really what I was doing. I was just buying stocks, and I was buying. I was listening to Jim Cramer. And I was listening to this person. I'm like, oh, I like this, like this, like this, and I was all over the place. And so, the first year and a half, I had like Microsoft. I had like Texas Instruments, and I had a couple stocks, but I wasn't buying consistently. I was still new in my career, so I wasn't really making that much money. And then also, uh, I was also some of my money was going to my 401k, and then also I was buying more like ETFs. Like I was more buying like index funds, and so I only had really a little money to put into developing a dividend portfolio starting out, and then I didn't really know the importance of having a dividend portfolio. So that's why I've been invested for 6 years, but really only counting four. Uh, And so, like for the first year, as you see, this has I've accumulated this for like 4 years now, and it's still growing because I'm essentially buying like $1,000 worth of stock per month in my dividend portfolio. I also put about $500 into my Roth IRA, different account. That's for retirement. I can't take money out that account until maybe like I want to say 59 and a half. I think that's the age. And so uh, I decided that I wanted to create a dividend portfolio because I wanted something that's going to grow and I can live off of, just in case Social Security when I get to the age of if I want to take Social Security early at 62, something I could fall back on that the dividends something to where the income would be able to grow compared to like putting your money into like an annuity where it's paying you like 10%, 12% annual, 20%, 10%, but then it's just stagnant because then after a while, with inflation and it eats into your lifestyle and your livelihood, and over time, if your money is not increasing, then you're gonna fall short to lifestyle creep and inflation because things are gonna be way more expensive 25, 30 years from now. Things is already expensive now, where inflation has CPI data and PPI data, be increasing 7%. So here's my dividend portfolio. I just want to give you an overview before I go into the nick and cranny of my particular portfolio. For the most part, I'm investing into, for the most part, all the different dividend sectors, investing sectors. I would say that the only one I really am not into investing into is communications. So like AT&T, Verizon. I don't have one of those because just fearful. Like AT&T cut its dividend, Verizon has a lot of debt. Disney cut its dividend. So it's like all the stocks is in like the communication sector. They cut their dividend. So I'm just like, am I supposed to trust that? No. So uh, here, here. So here is. I showed you my dividend portfolio, like the actual brokerage account, just to show you that uh, me investing consistently. So starting out, I suggest start out like with $200, invest $200 per month, then work your way up to $500 per month, and then you can once you do that, then it's like when you lifting or you're preparing for some type of fight. You start out with you start out small, more reps, and then you get add a plate like when uh, bench pressing or when you're squatting. You start out, 2 plates small, do those reps, and then you same thing. You start out with $100 per month or $200 per month, then do $250 per month for like 2 3 years. Then you like, okay, you start to make more money. You create a business. Then guess what? Boom. Then now you do $500 per month. Then you start to see your portfolio go from $5,000 to $15,000 to $30,000 to then 60. Because then what happens is that you're buying stocks, then you turn on a drip. You let the dividends reinvest into the stock and buy some little shares along the way in the beginning, and then also these different. If you buy quality stocks, then those stocks also are also going to increase their payout, increase the dividend, and with those increasing dividends, it's the trifecta. I call it like the golden triangle. And once that golden triangle goes into effect, you buy more of the stock, you reinvest, and then also the stock increases its dividend. Boom. It's like a wheel, oil wheel. So for the past 4 years, my dividend portfolio as of right now is paying me $1,400.89, which is really good. So my goal for 2023 is to, which I'm close, is to have my dividend portfolio pay me over $1,500. Now, as of right now, this is 1,489. But I plan on Monday. I plan on selling Goldman Sachs because of this whole banking crisis and whatnot. Uh, I'm going to shift my mindset and for the future, and I plan on investing a lot more money into like Bitcoin, Ethereum for the future because I'm not going to mess with these like banking institutions, and so I'm going to buy some Apple. I'm gonna start a position in Apple. I've already have Microsoft and several semiconductor stocks in my dividend portfolio, but I plan on going heavy on tech. So like my dividend portfolio is going to be like a mini Nasdaq. It's going to be it's going to be diversified as you see, where I have healthcare, I have real estate in here, I have energy stocks in here, as you see, consumer discretionary. I have several consumer staples in my different portfolio, but the tech sector does really great in terms of total return, and also they do a lot of share buybacks in the tech in the tech sector, and that's what I plan on doing. So I plan on it's $1,480 right now, but I'm going to lose roughly like $30 of annual income because I'm selling Goldman Sachs, and Apple doesn't pay a high dividend like that, but I'm sacrificing right now, so for the future for more high return, so that when I'm ready to retire early, because I honestly I'm investing right now because I plan on retiring by 50, selling some stuff and retiring by 50, and so uh, right here it shows even investing in a bear market where past week or so, I've lost over $2,000. I was at like 4,200, 4,200, $42,500. Lost over $2,000. So, but I'm still staying the course, still buying per month, still sticking with it. You can as well. And then wanted to show you guys that I am still highly I'm still highly diversified. Where um, my dividend portfolio here, you got healthcare, you got consumer defensive, Coca Cola, Mo, that is Smucker's company. I'm heavy in tech. I have industrials. I have energy. I have financial stocks. I have consumer cyclicals. I have some. This is basic material sector, and then also I have real estate stock. And then most importantly, I wanted to show you guys is um, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is what I wanted to show you. While pop-ups is popping up, popcorn popping up. So I'm gonna do that so you guys can overall and see what I got going on. So right here, I'm averaging about so I average about $123 of dividend income per month, and so in the month of March, I'm going to receive $164 in dividends, and then it tapers off a little bit, 112, and then uh, February, May, August, and November are my lowest months, and I really need to get those. Really need to get those months up, and then you scroll down. Uh, it shows you the breakdown. And I know this look could be a little bit confusing, but it shows the breakdown of just uh, when these particular stocks in these months when they pay out the amount, and then with each time I buy more stocks, these dividend amounts will increase. And this is the lovely right here where like you know paying $163, and then due to dividend increases and buys is going to increase from $163 to $173. Can't make that up, right? But I do need to get my February, May, August months up because I got to step my game up with these different stocks. So in the future, I plan on buying more Texas Instrument. I plan on buying more. I plan on buying a share of Starbucks each quarter. Well, each paycheck, so that Starbucks should go up, and then I plan on buying more AbbVie. I plan on buying more AbbVie in the future, and then also I plan on buying more Apple. Now, Apple doesn't pay a high dividend, but I mean, what can you say? So overall, just want to show you guys that right there that uh, by if you stay consistent, if you're starting out, pick between 5 to 10 stocks. Stick with those stocks, your high conviction companies that you know about, that you believe in, that you love, that you can explain to a child or explain to your grandma or to somebody that doesn't know about investing. Stick with those 10 stocks, and then as you make more money, you can add more particular dividend stocks to your investment portfolio, either for early retirement or for retirement, because that's mainly what we're talking about, for retirement or early retirement, so that we can achieve fire. Or you can utilize these stocks to pay your bills. It's all how you want to do it. But overall, stay motivated. Don't lose hope. You will not lose your money. It's not gambling. It's investing, and you are making decisions to stay the course and invest for your future. If I can do it, a kid out of Southside Chicago, born and raised in Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, then you can as well. If I can do it, and a lot of my peers have seen me, and have grew up with me, and I'm not a privileged kid. I grew up in the hood. I grew up uh, not privileged, and if I can stay the course and do this and build a portfolio, you can as well. It's all about building habits, and so that's why I say like and subscribe to my channel and follow my journey, because by following my journey, it will help motivate you to see somebody like you that's actually doing it, and then by me doing it, then hopefully it can rub off that you can do it as well, and you can follow my journey and see what stocks I'm buying, see what stocks I'm selling, and then you join this brotherhood or sisterhood, and we can talk investing, we can talk finances and personal accountability. We can talk about ETFs, dividends, and uh, different strategies that you may want to utilize to ultimately for your future and for your family future. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel, share this content, and hope you have a great day.